National Institute of Standards and Technology ties.
National Institute of Standards and Technology ties.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Sapporo Ichiban, which is also known as Sanyo Foods, collaboration, as you can see right there on the top with the logos. And this is a Wakame variety. It's fall right now, and I thought the labeling was pretty neat. It's like a Wakame Aojiso dressing stuff. But I kind of like the leaves on it. But it's a sea vegetable, so it's not really like leaves falling off a tree. You know, but hey, whatever. There's what we got in the cup. And I'm gonna pour the boiling violently hot water in up to the line. Give it its due 3 minutes. Ow! Jeepers. 3 minutes on the clock. And what is going on today? I would read you the news, but you're in February. So do we have more winter coming? God, it's not even winter yet for me. How is the future? Do good things happen in the future? I always wonder, because it's just a trip that I'm talking to you in the future. But yeah, God, the future, futuristic. But yeah, I think this is going to be review number 4090. I think that's where this is at. And I'm starting to worry about having these episodes and posts like coming out really close to each other, and I might get ahead of myself. Like, the post comes out generally after the video comes out. That's the whole thing. That's how it's supposed to be. But I think I might be getting to the point where that's not going to work correctly, and I don't know exactly what to do. But I'll figure it out. It'll be interesting. It might just be that when posts initially come out, the videos won't be with them, but that's not good either. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but it's a dark, gray day. Gotta go get bananas. What else is going on? Oh, there's a big sticker thing up in Anacortes where I grew up. My sister works at the hospital there, and she checks people. No, she doesn't check people in. She's a screener. So if somebody's gonna come to the hospital, they have to get checked to make sure they have symptoms of COVID. You know, you go in, they scan your temperature, then they give you a sticker. It's like color-coded and date-coded. So today's Tuesday, you might get a red Tuesday sticker or a blue Tuesday sticker. So they, you know, if you don't have the right color but you have the right day, you're screwing around there, buddy. You shouldn't be doing that. But these stickers end up all over the place. So there's like a mailbox that's out front that people, like when they left, they put the sticker on it. In Seattle, we used to have this thing called the gum wall down by Pike Place Market, big popular tourist attraction. But anyways, it was a wall where people would like chew gum and stick it on the wall. And literally this wall was caked, and it was like meters long of just like gum sitting on this wall. And people either loved it or hated it. People got like, Why are they allowed? This is vandalism. Other people were like, no, this is like very Seattle, very, very cool. So what did the city do? They like pressure washed it and got rid of all the gum. Well, the gum has something in it that will eat away at the rock face, and we can't have that. It's like, really? In 1 million years? But then it's the same thing with these stickers. People are like, this is really defacing government property because it's on a mailbox, and you know, it's just like, come on, Debbie Downer. It's a neat thing. Eventually what they should do is once COVID is over, they should take the mailbox and send it to the Smithsonian. I mean, yeah. Okay. The noodle's not bad. Here's the broth. Here, you need to... They weren't kidding. Be ready for seaweed. There's plenty of that in here. Broth isn't bad. Let's try the Wakame. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Yep. It's hot. Interesting. Ooh, I burned my tongue. Ooh, I really did burn my tongue quite burnt of a tongue. Ow! This freaking thing is hot. See, some cups are insulated by the material they're in. They're like not foam, but they're like foam sprayed. Some cups have like an outer liner like an espresso cup, and that's what this one is. And so the heat upon heat hurts. It hurts. I'll live. I will. Shrimp. Like a little trifecta of shrimp on top. It certainly has a lot of seaweed in there, so the greenery is good on this one. I will say I like this better than I expected I would. It's got a nice taste to it. A nice taste. Some sesame seed. I think this one could be served well with a little touch of the love sludge. Love sludge? I refer to Lao Gan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. Right about there. God. It really is love sludge, folks. It's such good stuff. If you've never tried it, you really gotta try Lao Gan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. Yeah. I'm really excited about the next one, actually. We went the right way. There we go. Alright, so tomorrow will be the first of 3 varieties, not going in a row, but that you'll see from me This is a company, new stuff, healthy stuff. Immi. So, next one I'm doing is their black garlic chicken flavor ramen soup. Plant-based, 22 grams of protein, 6 grams of net carbs. It's got 16 grams of fiber. And it's pumpkin seed protein. The noodle block is orange. It's interesting stuff. So that'll be tomorrow. See you then. Bye.